songs of Christmas, wonderful songs.
Oh, we've seen the sights of Christmas, the lights upon the tree, and we've seen the nights of Christmas and the daytime gaiety.
Oh, we've seen the colors of Christmas reflected in candlelight. We've seen the presents at Christmas wrapped in ribbons ever so bright.
But the candles and presents, the lights and the tree are the part of Christmas we only see.
So let's close our eyes to the glitter and glisten, for the sounds we can hear if we only listen, 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 listen.
Listen, listen, listen.
Can you hear the sound of sleigh bells as the reindeer start to go? Can you hear the jingling sleigh bells echoing over the snow?
Can you hear the sound of chopping as the brownies cut down our tree? They chop, chop, chop without stopping till it's brought for us to see.
Can you hear the sound of the Yule log as it snaps and crackles away? Can you hear the sizzling Yule log burning on Christmas Day? Can you hear the bell in the church spire tolling so slowly and then ringing out with the church choirs as they sing peace on earth to men? The songs of Christmas, wonderful songs.
There are other sounds of Christmas you will hear on Christmas morn. The toot of a train for Tommy,
The toot of a little toy horn.
there's the sound of Sister's Dolly, a little toy dog for Sue.
There's a cuckoo clock and the grandfather's clock and lots of others too. The songs of Christmas, wonderful songs. So if you want to enjoy this Christmas, fill your eyes with the Yuletide delights, but never forget the songs you'll hear and be with you year after year. Oh, never forget the songs you'll hear can be with you year after year.
And here's one sound we've saved for last, a sound we hope you've heard in the past. It's a little tune each year we send to all of CLM's friends.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to all of you.